Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to video message on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to send a video message on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and over here guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send that video message. And on this interface guys, after opening the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the video message, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see guys, there is a camera icon available for us. But if in your case guys it's not available, tap on it and you can see guys it will be switched to a camera icon. By tapping on it guys, we will be able to switch to either recording or voice message or video message by tapping on that icon. Now in order to proceed to record that video message, let's tap on that icon again to switch to a camera icon, and again let's tap and hold on it to record the message on Telegram. So let's tap on it, and the moment we tap on it, this kind of interface will appear where it starts to record your video message over here guys. You can also swipe your fingers to the lock icon which is available for you at the up of the screen where you have tapped to record the message, and you will be able to record your video message without just tapping and holding on it. You can see it is recording. And in order to switch your camera to the back side of your phone, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is a camera with a circular icon at the bottom left. Tap on it and your camera will be rotated and your back camera will start to record. And with that being said guys, in order to send this video message to that person, tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and that video message will be sent. So for a demo purpose, let's do that again. Let's tap and hold on it, and you can see guys the message will start to record over here, your video message. And if you just let it go like this, your video message will be sent. But if you had swiped up your finger to the lock sign after tapping and holding like this guys, you can see you will no longer you be required to hold in order to record your video message over here like this guys. So let's tap on the send icon again, and by this way guys you will be able to send a video message on Telegram. And with that being said guys, this is how to video message someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.